Hi, this is David at the Quick Lane at Bill Colwell Ford. We're going to talk today about some basic maintenance on your vehicle and go over when you should do your oil change, changing filters, wiper blades, vehicle inspection. First thing we're talking about is the oil change. Ford recommends changing your oil every 5,000 miles or 5 months. Even if you're not driving the mileage, oil does break down in the vehicle. That's why they're recommending the 5-month period. And most major manufacturers are right around the same time frame. So that is always with our severe weather, with the cold, and with the heat we get in the summer, it is a good idea to do that every 5,000 miles or 5 months. First thing we're going to go over is the air filter. Air filter helps the engine breathe. Sounds easy, just like, simple thing to breathe, like trying to breathe through the mask the way we've all been wearing lately. When this gets dirty and plugged, it makes it difficult to breathe, and that affects the engine, mileage, performance. Very crucial, something that needs to be checked and replaced. We do that with our 27-point inspection on every oil change. Second filter will be the cabin air filter, which filters the air inside the vehicle. A lot like your home furnace filter, this does every air that goes through the inside of the vehicle goes through this filter. Good idea to change it. I'm going to say about every 20,000 miles is what Ford recommends, and we can't check it every time you come in with the oil change with that vehicle inspection. Again, this is often overlooked. If you notice you don't have the volume coming out of your vents or it doesn't feel like it's blowing hard, a lot of times this is restricted and dirty, or even sometimes it'll cause a funny smell in the vehicle. Wiper blades. Check them every time you come in. If you don't remember the last time you changed your wiper blades or how they were acting at the last rain or snow, wiper blades are a good one to change. Like I said, if you can't remember when they were done last, I would recommend changing them. And you're welcome to stop by and grab an ice scraper. We have got plenty left this year while supplies last, so stop by and get your ice scraper. And thank you very much.